YouTube is a very big platform now. Many people want to earn good money there. It seems like a great dream for many people. You can make money online by creating videos. Lots of people watch YouTube videos every single day. This means there are many good chances for you. I wanted to try this exciting new path forward. I asked myself a simple question back then. Can I really do this successfully and well? I learned about these things called faceless channels. This means you do not show your own face. It is good if you are a shy person. It is also good if you want to keep your privacy. Your video content is the main important focus. The information you share is absolutely key, not your looks or exactly who you are. This plan felt very smart and quite simple. It was a system I could understand. Faceless channels are particularly appealing to many. They offer a new and different way to succeed. You do not need a fancy, expensive camera. You do not need to be a professional actor. You can use stock videos or still images, or you can use screen recordings of your computer. This makes starting out on YouTube much easier. It felt like an efficient system I could build, a system that could work for me. My own big motivation was personal freedom. I wanted to earn money in a different way, not the usual 9-to-5 office job. A faceless YouTube channel seemed just about perfect. I could potentially work from any place I chose. I could set my own flexible work hours. This was the kind of lifestyle design I wanted. It was a very clear and exciting goal for me. I decided to go for it with focus. Making videos was quite hard at the very first. I did not know what software tools to use. Video editing felt very complex and confusing to me. Finding good video topics was also tricky then. I spent many long hours just learning. It felt like a big steep mountain to climb. I made many early mistakes along the way, but mistakes are there to help you learn new things. Each one was a lesson for the future. Getting my first subscribers was a real challenge. Nobody at all knew about my new channel. My first few videos got very few views. It made me feel a little bit sad sometimes. I often wondered if anyone would ever watch. Those first 100 fans felt almost impossible. It takes a lot of time to grow slowly. You must have plenty of patience for this. It is a test of your commitment. I knew I needed a system for making content. I started planning all my videos in batches. I chose quite simple topics to start with. I learned how to use free video editing software. I watched many helpful online tutorial videos. Every new video became a little bit better. Consistency was my most important tool by far. I decided to post videos on a regular schedule. No matter how I felt, I kept posting. I worried a lot about my content quality. This was true even without showing my own face. Was my speaking voice clear enough to understand? Was the information I shared truly useful? I had to push past all these doubts. I focused hard on helping my target audience. I imagined one single person needing my help. This simple mind trick helped me to keep on going. Value for them was more important than perfection. Choosing a good niche is absolutely key for success. This is a very important first step to take. I picked a topic I knew a little bit about, and a topic that people often search for online. You definitely need an audience for your videos. Do not pick a niche that is far too small, or one that is already too big and competitive. Good market research helps you find a suitable gap. This makes getting noticed much easier. I used search engine optimization for my videos. This is often called SEO for short by creators. YouTube is like a big search engine for videos, so I learned all about using relevant keywords. I put good, strong keywords in my video titles, and also in my detailed video descriptions. This process helped people find my videos much more easily. My videos started to show up in search results. It was like fishing where the fish actually are. Making good thumbnails and titles is truly vital. They are just like your video's important shop window. They must make people really want to click. I made all my thumbnails bright and very clear. I used text that was big and easy to read. My video titles were exciting but also quite honest. I A/B tested some different styles to see. Even very small changes made a big positive impact. This is a simple but powerful optimization. Engaging properly with your audience helps a great deal. I always tried to reply to comments quickly. I also asked interesting questions in my videos. This careful approach helped to build a community. People started to feel connected to the channel. They came back again to watch more new videos. Building this strong connection is very important. It also helps the YouTube algorithm favor your content. More engagement signals a healthy, active channel. Monetization of my channel was my next big goal. First, I needed to get 1,000 channel subscribers, and also achieve 4,000 valid watch hours. This part took quite some time to fully achieve. Then I applied for the YouTube Partner Program. This official program lets you put ads on videos. Advertising revenue was my very first income stream. Seeing the first few pounds come in was great. It proved to me that the system really worked. I looked for other smart ways to earn money. Ads are just one single part of the equation. I also used some effective affiliate marketing. I recommended good products that I personally used. I put special affiliate links in my video description. When people bought using my link, I got a small cut. This tactic added more valuable income streams for me. You can also sell your own digital products, or you can offer channel memberships for extra content. You should use free tools when you first start out. Canva is very good for making your thumbnails. There are many free video editors available too, like DaVinci Resolve or perhaps OpenShot for example. Plan all your video content well ahead of time. Make a clear and consistent posting schedule for yourself. Stay incredibly consistent with all your video uploads. This is probably the most important single tip. Consistency builds momentum and audience trust over time. You can definitely do this important work too, I believe. It does take quite a lot of sustained effort. It also takes a great deal of pure persistence. Do not give up on your YouTube dream too soon. Many people unfortunately stop just before they find success. Learn from what other successful people are doing, but always be sure to find your own unique style. Start today and take that very first small step. The journey towards this goal is truly worth it.